Hello everyone, Foca here, and today I'm here to make a very important announcement. It's been more than 1 year since I entered the robotics field, and it's been such a wild ride. Starting from model Abrams all the way up to the Foca H1, this entire work has been possible because of people like you. People who encouraged me to learn electronics and believed in me and my mission to create robots and ingenious devices. However, these inventions can become quite expensive, especially in the research stage. If you are a true believer in my work and wish to become one of my official backers, you can now do so by going to my Patreon page and choosing one of the 2 available tiers right now. And as a reward, you'll gain special access to private news, such as progress updates, upcoming products, and other unique advantages you will find out about later. For now, we're only going to have 2 separate tiers. Updates are going to be posted weekly, and all the gathered funds are going to be invested into upcoming inventions and/or products. So what are you waiting for? Click the link in the description below and let's embark on this journey together. Remember, your support is not just about funding, but about bringing new ideas to life, about challenging the limits, and about attempting to redefine tomorrow.